Hey guys, WWDC 23 is coming up, meaning iOS 17 beta is also coming online. I'm sure you're all looking forward to the launch of iOS 17. So in this video, I will show you how to install iOS 17 Developer Beta, as Apple has changed the way it installs Developer Beta this year. So we need to sign up for the program membership in Apple Developer. You can then use your developer account to install the iOS 17 Developer Beta. An annual subscription fee of $99 is required and will automatically renew each year. Follow the process to fill in all the information and pay. Then restart your iPhone. Now you can open the iPhone settings. Enter General Options. Tap Software Update. Here you can see the Beta Updates option. Tap it. Here you can choose to update the iOS 17 Developer Beta. Of course, we can't see it yet. We have to wait until after the WWDC 23 conference. Here I will use the iOS 16 beta for demonstration. Tap back. You will see the update prompt for iOS 17 Developer Beta. Tap Download and install. Wait for the iOS firmware download to complete. Once done, the installation will proceed automatically. After iPhone restarts, it means iOS 17 beta installation is complete. Now you can try the new features in the iOS 17 beta. You are welcome to write down your feelings and discuss them with me in comments. If you want to stay up to date with the latest iOS and Apple content, just subscribe to me. Let's keep digging for iPhone tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.